because I got to share this cake with
I
him.
want to see it. Show me.
Your granddaddy, my daddy, used to refer to his mother as an angel, a talking, walking angel. And I have to say she was. And every time we'd come down to Florida to visit, she would have this cake on the counter waiting for us. So we're gonna start with 2 sticks of butter.
You want me to cream that?
Yes. And we're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. And we're gonna cream that well, son. And our actual cake part is like your standard 1, 2, 3, 4 cake. It's a cup of milk, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, and 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna take our cake pans and I'm just gonna spray these real good. Plus, I'm gonna dust them with a little flour so that'll make sure they come out good. We're gonna add 1 egg at the time. Break them into another bowl and make sure each egg is fine. And turn it up as high as it'll go, son, to do your creaming. There you go. Egg number 2. All righty. So we're gonna measure out 1 cup of milk, and we're gonna alternately add our flour and our milk to our cake batter. You always wanna start with flour and end with flour. It makes for a creamier batter.
I can't believe there's a cake in the family I've never eaten.
I know. Look what it's gonna look like when we add the flour. There we go. All right, the last of the flour. So now I want to talk to you about butternut flavoring. Grandmama would always have this in her cabinet, and there was a certain brand that she would buy, but this is the closest that I've been able to find. This one is called a vanilla butter and nut flavor. Grandma's butternut flavoring always made her cakes orange.
I bet you this will make it orange.
Yes, that will. So that's 3 tablespoons. All right.
Back home.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that delicious, son?
Awesome.
I think I'm gonna add just a wee little bit more.
More?
All right, now, son, our cake pans are ready.
Here comes the worst part of making cakes for Mom.
I just like to make sure, son, my cakes are nice.
Let's try to eyeball. You want to? Let's go outside your comfort zone.
No.
One time.
No. Oops, you know what? Grandma put nuts in her cake. So.
Here's some pecans right here. You want to chop them?
Yes, so let me just chop them real quick like.
I can't believe we used to pick up pecans and sell them.
Yes, to take y'all to the fair. And I would go out there and pick up pecans and take them to the nut house and sell them.
Not our house, nut house, the other nut house.
The pecan nut house.
What would we get a pound?
I don't remember, son.
Cents.
Maybe 39 cents a pound, something like that. 29 cents a pound.
After bag.
But it was enough money to get us to the fair.
I did not like doing it. I know that.
Yes, but you loved going to that fair.
I did.
And there was no fair money.
This cake is beautiful.
Isn't it beautiful? It brings back the fondest memories. I'm a stickler about my cakes being the same size, so I try to...
That's an understatement.
I try to measure out the same amount, and as the cake batter goes down, then my amount goes down. Okay. Now, we've knocked them about to just get the air bubbles out, y'all, and level them out. We're gonna put these in the oven, 350-degree preheated oven, and we're gonna bake them for about 30 or 35 minutes. I'll be keeping a close eye on them, and when I see them pulling away from their pan, or if I touch the top and it springs back, we'll know that they're ready. So don't go anywhere. I really, 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 really want y'all to see how this cake turns out.
So far, so good.
Nellie Lou's butternut cake.
Let's clean up.
Okay. I'll start by cleaning up the pork chop.
Mine's already clean.
Coming up, there's no sweeter memory, y'all, than my grandmother Harris's butternut cake.
It's
This
good,
is
Mom.
incredible. Our cakes turned out beautiful. We've got our icing made, y'all. It's 4 cups of confectionate sugar, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and a stick of butter. And I'm gonna flavor it with our vanilla, butter, and nut flavor. And I'm not gonna measure it. I'm just gonna pour until I get it the color that I
Put
like
more
it.
of that orange stuff in there?
Yes, that's what gives it the flavor,
We're gonna fold it
Jamie.
or beat it?
Well, I would love to beat it. Okay, and then I'll just fold in the nuts. Yum. Do you like that color, son?
It's beautiful.
I'm not even gonna chop those nuts up anymore.
God, it smells awesome.
I'm gonna put down just a little bit of that, Jamie. That's just so my cake won't move. Okay. Yum.
Yeah, I love the pecans in it. It looks awesome.
Yes.
You want some more sticks?
Yes. Sticks that fit, though. Jamie Deen.
Look, it fits.
Oh, okay. One more right there, please. Okay, here we go. All right, now this is when you start making me nervous.
No, I'm not gonna make you
Wait now. Not in the middle.
You want me to help you?
No.
You want me to do the sides?
Look at this, Grandma Hires. Jamie,
But-
you are gonna send me straight to hell while I'm trying to talk to an angel.
Mama!
See how I do it, son?
Look, give me some on
I
this
put it
side.
right there on the edge. No, Jamie.
Yeah, we're starting
I
a
will-
new tradition, Mom.
No, we are not.
Yes, we are.
Jamie, I will knock the
Mama,
I will
it's a
knock the
celebration.
breath out of you.
Celebration of fathers and your favorite father, remember? That's me. You know I'm a baker by trade.
You have never baked.
Give me a chance.
You make me so nervous, son.
Well, what do you think I'm gonna do?
Calm down, Paula. We almost there. Yum.
Wow, that was good.
I know. The big reveal.
Wow. That's a cake right there.
Isn't that a beautiful cake?
Cheers, Mama.
Cheers, son.
It's
This
good,
is
Mom.
incredible. One of the finest cakes you'll ever eat.
And simple, too.
So easy, a 1, 2, 3, 4 cake.